Hey, what's up? Back at it again. That's slime.
Well, we're not making
slime. She's fixing yours, but mine.
Mine is.
Move your arm.
Totally. Oh, did you see what I did? I was like. I did it again, bro.
Hold on. Sit down.
Enough of that. Okay.
Rainbow
Sorry
won't
about
sit down.
that.
Rainbow won't sit down. That's annoying.
Megan won't sit down.
Her name is Rainbow. And Megan.
I was unicorn.
No, I'm Unicorn.
Okay.
You're Rainbow. No.
Okay, Rainbow.
Shut up and listen to the satisfaction. Hold on, just let me get a better view of it. I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but we're gonna assume you can.
It's hitting the ball.
Look how unsatisfying I am. Hi, that's too close. We don't need to see that close. It was ugly. Why did I do that?
I did too much.
And then in a few weeks, you see a cringe compilation video and we're the cover.
Ooh.
Thanks, guys. No, someone actually do that, please.
Please, guys.
Will it count as views if it's in someone else's video? Liz.
Where's my lid? He didn't pay. I mean, Rainbow.
Or Margot, if you don't call me. I'm Unicorn.
Marco.
Margot, you little girl. I'm Unicorn. My name is also Margot. This, right here, is Rainbow, but she keeps calling me Rainbow. Butthole. Stupid Megan.
Dude.
What are you spinning on right now? Can we get a close up on this chick? She's spinning. I don't even. Let's just. What the heck is that?
I don't know.
Where'd you find it?
In that cabinet. Oh god.
I have a severe double chin. Stop getting close. Wanna fight me? Come at me, bro. Come at me, bro.
Okay, guys, look at this. This is so crazy. That's all of our slime, and over here, and then that's all of our stuff. It fills a whole bucket.
We don't have any glue because we suck.
Yeah.
No, you need to put it back on this place. Give it. Hi. You stop. Guys, in the comment section, so we have Rainbow actually eat my slime. I made edible slime before. It wasn't really slimy, but
We still ate it. It was strawberry.
it's really good. Strawberries.
Starbursts. No strawberries.
We're not
slime.
sponsored.
Crappy slime that is like possibly maybe bouncy.
I'd never made butter slime before. That was the first butter slime I ever made. And I gave it to my
You
sister.
had the glue, you added the glue, and then you added the magic model clay in
No,
with it. And
I
you mixed
didn't.
it.
I had it sticky and then I put it in there. And see, let's see my good butter slime.
You have to make.
It's crappy, but it's better than that one. See? Ew, Rainbow. Megan.
Marco.
Margot, not Marco. Oh, by the way, we're cousins. Oh my gosh, look what you did to the camera.
Hey guys, it's just my face. It's whipped cream.
We don't need it. See, look how stretchy it is. Kind of. I hear it starting to rip. See, it's not very good. Stop! Stop it.
Ah. Megan did that. Megan didn't do that. I mean.
Megan wasn't here. Jughead Jones was here.
Saying the one that come from Marco's mouth.
It's Margot. I'm weird. I'm a weirdo. Wait.
Oh, I just broke the spoon. Did you guys see that?
Megan, idiot. Look what you did. No, we're putting
And
that
see
in the
this?
video.
See this spoon? See that crack in it? That was from me.
Megan, how did you break it?
I went like this. Broke it.
You broke it on fluffy slime.
I broke it like this.
Idiot. Megan, how do you manage this?
Sorry. She's getting the chair. so crazy.
Megan, come at me. Come at me, bro.
Jasper, whatever freaking name is. What does it
Also, if you like our video, go look up Skittles Are My Life. It's a redheaded chick. Watch her. She's cool. She's not.
You're like,
She'll never know.
not unless she watches this video.
No, I'm allowed to insult her. She's my best friend.
Sorry.
Megan.
Stop calling me Megan. My name is McCarthy. Megan McCarthy.
Oh. Stop reaching over. Move the box if you have to. No one wants to see your ugly arm.
No one can see your arm either.
Don't put it in the slime box, you retard.
Retard, that's why I'm working.
Hey. Stop. You idiot.
I don't want it
I'm putting it on the floor. Come at me.
You want the chair?
Do it. You better stop.
I hit her and she got mad at me.
I
for
flinched
hitting
at
her
her.
with
I flinched. That's saying something. Someone call the cops. There's child abuse.
child abuse her.
It's not child. I'm not her child.
Yes, you are. God.
You're my cousin.
This is marble slime.
No, it's fishbowl.
Fishbowl slime. It's a bright blue. It's the same color.
I couldn't find the small beads, so I put marbles in it. Leave my fishbowl slime alone.
Oh.
It smells good. We used a foaming hand soap, and it smells so good.
The foaming hand.
It's on the floor. Where'd it go?
No.
We're not sponsored.
The foaming hand soap is apple.
Put it away, because I'm trying to... Can I be put into a satisfying comp? Les,
Sorry, guys.
we need to get a tripod. Maybe we won't be having it set up on a box. Last time, up in our bedroom, there was a setup on a pop vinyl of Jughead Jones. Not just any pop vinyl, a Hot Topic exclusive.
That is true. She did get it from Hot Topic.
I like
For
Hot Topic.
Christmas.
Any of y'all shop at Hot Topic? Y'all.
Y'all never call me y'all.
I didn't call you y'all. I wasn't implying you. We don't like you.
That is
Bro,
really mean.
check out Skittles Are My Life. She has a lot more fails with holding the camera up.
You want more of this
Swear
in
to
there?
God. No. Don't.
But if you die,
Ruin it. Get it off the camera.
it's my phone. Something. That wasn't my fault. That was actually yours.
Sorry that keeps happening. I mean, this is like
It's
a
gonna
better
happen
fishbowl.
like 600 times.
Oh, it's a better fishbowl, but it's not fishbowl beads. It's really confusing. We shopped at Dollar General for our stuff.
So it's basically pretty much crap.
They
Because
found...
whatever they have at Dollar General is crap.
Okay, I think that's all for today. Because I'm tired of hearing... I don't want you guys commenting in the comment section being like, you guys suck. I'm so done. Actually, no one watches my videos. Who am I even talking to? Oh, that's good. Okay, yeah.
And yeah, I just
Bye, guys.
Bye.
That ending was too close to my face. Okay, now, goodbye. And I made a creepy face. Bye.